What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jax. Hope you're having a terrific day. If you get any value out of this video, it goes a long way if you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new, and leave a comment and let me know your thoughts on Wink. You guys are always requesting me to do update videos on Wink. So here it is. All right, guys. So on the 24-hour, we're down 14%. On the week, we're down 30%. On the month, we're up 600%. And on the year, you're going to see that huge, almost 1,800%, guys. So we're going to hop straight into the technical analysis for Wink. Everybody kind of knows that Wink is a gambling website for your crypto, so we'll skip that and go straight to the technical analysis. So the market cap is almost 500 million, the 24-hour volume 1.3 billion, and currently have 313 billion circulating supply of Wink. All right, guys. So we can see what's called a bull flag here. So you kind of have your handle to your flag, and then you have your flag. Right now, this is a downward channel, but we've broken out of it, as we talked about in our last video. We've broken out of this channel. We've broken out of this kind of downward wedge, and we started to see some life with Wink. I mean, just yesterday, I believe it went up something like 30%. Let's see. So if you were to buy in right here, and the top of this candle, at 44%. So that would have been a nice juicy trade right there. Now the thing with Wink is, like, there's no catalyst and there's no news, but it is in the Tron ecosystem, and we are in a bull market. So these coins tend to pump for no reason. And we have seen that with Wink, as we can see right here. All right, guys. So we're on the 4-hour chart, and the 20 EMA is we're just underneath. So I'd like to see it come back above the 20 EMA and use that as support. The 50 EMA is this blue line here, and now we're kind of bouncing off that a little bit, which is a decent sign, but I'd like to see us come above the 20 EMA on the 4-hour chart here, above this yellow line. Now, we could even draw a bull flag right here with a symmetrical wedge, and see the price start to squeeze. Now, I don't think, this is a bottom, right? I don't think Wink will draw, I hope not, will drop down any lower than the support at 0.00128. This could be a double bottom potentially, but what we want to see for Wink is that we squeeze and we start trending back upwards and start making higher highs and higher lows for Wink. And our key level of resistance that we want to break is 0.0021. Now, I know a lot of people have been buying more Wink on this low here, right? So even if you were to buy here as a swing trader, I'm going to show you guys something. If you were to buy here at the current price of 0.00152, or right here you can see it, a Wink, 0.00155. If you were to buy in here because you believe, Wink's going to go up, you're going to see that volume. What we need to see with Wink is the volume. If you took a position and then Wink starts to work towards that level of resistance, that's another 40% trade, at 40% gain as a swing trader, right, guys? So but the volume, it can come out of nowhere. If you start seeing some signals, let me draw a wedge for you guys. If you were to start to see some signals that we were going to break out, let me get another line here. We were going to break out of this little wedge here and start trending upwards, and you have that great sign that we're going to start to we're going to go to retest 0.00216. That's a 40% gain, right, as a swing trader. So just something to look at. I know a lot of you in my Discord and in the comments of it, Jax, teach me swing trading. Well, I'll just kind of teach the basics. We can see here on the RSI, it's healthy. It's 44 on the 4-hour chart, and the MACD, we've had that cross. We've had that bullish cross, and now they're starting to flirt. But it almost looks like we might see a bearish cross. But I'll show you to you guys on the 1 day. So here's the MACD, and you can see, it's looking like it might cross again, and we would go bearish. But we're hoping that it kind of just bounces off the signal line, and we continue to trend back upwards. And the RSI is at about 55, 57 right now on the daily chart. So keep a close eye on Wink. It's potentially in a buy zone. Even if we hit a double bottom, we should start trending back upwards, because we're in a bull market. And when we're in a bull market, the bullish outcome is way more likely. All right, guys. So what we want to see is that we squeeze and we start trending back upwards. And this is a key level of resistance. If we can break this resistance at 0.0021, that's such a great bullish sign that will go and we'll retest 0.0029. All right, guys. So we might see a little bit of consolidation. We don't want to see us test this double bottom. I don't really want to see that, but it's possible. And then, you know, you're looking at if you were to buy in here, you're still looking at about a 40% trade 40% trade, which is nothing to complain about, for Wink. All right, guys. So we need to see that volume. Let's look at the volume real quick. Now we can see here with Tron, remember they're the same ecosystem. Tron starting to see a bit of an uptrend on the 1 day and on the 7-day chart. So that's a good sign, because they kind of all follow each other, Tron, BTT, and Wink. So let's kind of look at Wink right now and check out the volume. 1 day. Let's go the 7-day. Yeah, so we did start to see that increase in volume. We were around 1 billion on the 24-hour volume. See, we started to see that increase in volume. So if we can keep that volume and we start trending higher highs and higher lows, all right, guys, that's what we want to see. Higher highs and higher lows. We break that key level of resistance at 0.0021. Then we can start working our way towards 0.0029, all right, guys? So hopefully we see that soon for Wink. That would be ideal. So if I go back and we'll give some predictions here for Wink. Currently it's April 12th. So hopefully by the middle of the month, we might work our way up to testing that 0.0021. Here it just shows 0.02. But it was 0.0021. Would be great to retest that by the middle of the month. Would be awesome. Hopefully we don't, you know, start trending downwards and see that double bottom. But we are in a bull market, so hopefully we retest 0.0021 by mid-April, and then heading towards the end of the month, I would love to see us get back to that high, hopefully before the end of the month, of 0.003, and then start to trend towards 0.0035, 0.004 would be amazing by the middle of May. All right, guys. So keep an eye on Wink. I mean, we're in a buy zone in a bull market. You could wait for that confirmation that we break out of this wedge and break out of the resistance here of 0.0019 was the high. And then if we break out, we can start heading towards 0.0021 for Wink. All right, guys. So we are in a bull market and it's sold off quite a bit. So hopefully we're going to start seeing it trend back upwards and see those higher highs and those higher lows for Wink. All right, guys. That's it for Winkle. Remember, Tron, Wink, BTT, all in the same ecosystem and have been moving together recently. So hopefully we see that increase in volume and start to see some good signs for Wink. All right, that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love, guys. Take care.